Here is our old exogenous ketone base. Here is our new version. They look the same on the outside and they have the same benefits for your insides, but my goodness does the new one taste better. The fact is, BHB salts in their raw form taste terrible. It is extremely difficult to have an effective dose while still making them taste great. Our last few formulations were good and we're proud of them, but after over 6 months of working on these new exogenous ketone flavors, we now have the best ketone flavors on the market. I don't know how our genius product team did it, but the sweetness is so balanced and the new flavors do not taste bitter like exogenous ketones normally do. I just tried the new peach ketone base in just ice water and it's so refreshing. It's gonna hit triple digits this summer. I'm gonna be using the ketones and the electrolytes to stay hydrated and energized all summer long. These are by far the best tasting flavors of ketone base we've ever had as a company. Try yours, you're gonna love them. Whoa, does someone have an exogenous ketone bong that I could just shuttle like 6 of these? So I can just put this peach in just plain ice water and just sip. Sip. Anything you say, sip. I don't see nothing wrong with a little bass and grind.